Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to contact Crypto.com customer support in 2025. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your mobile phone, go to the search bar and type in Crypto.com customer service. You can also type in chat.crypto.com. Hit enter and it will show up a search result saying chat.crypto.com, chatscrypto.com. Click on this link and it will take you to this page. Now on this page, you're going to simply click on the send a message button at the top. We typically reply in under 10 minutes it says. Click on this link, send us a message and it will take you to this page. Now it will load up and here you'll have to simply choose your language. I will choose English. Now it will show up some options asking you what is your problem related to. So my problem is related to login issues, so I will choose login issues. Now, you'll have to select one of these categories. After you choose one of these categories, you can choose any one of these options. And at last, you'll have to click on I need further assistance button. Now, type in your message. So type in a message saying connect me to a live agent. Then click on the share icon. Now it will show up a message saying, I understand that you're looking to speak with a live agent. To get the assistance you need, please click on speak to a specialist below and you'll be directed to one of our specialists who can help you further. Click on this speak to a specialist button, click on yes button and it will take you to a chat where you can easily get connected to a specialist from crypto.com. So they will be from customer support team that you can ask your questions and queries, then they will give a proper assistance and solve your problem instantly. So that is a simple way through which you can contact Crypto.com customer support in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.